Hello guys, join me. Let me show you how I make this delicious and healthy chickpeas recipe. I use 2 cups and a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking powder, and I add my room temperature milk and go ahead add 2 spoons of milk yogurt, adding milk bit by bit. If today is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Add the chopped onions, paprika, and spring onions. And I'm adding a bit of spinach. This lunch is so easy, we can do this in 5 minutes. Keep adding water or milk until you get the right consistency. Go ahead and preheat your oil. You can use your hand to cut it or your spoon. Don't forget to drop your comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We won't stop making. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And drop your comments. Really good. Fry until it's golden brown. Our easy snacks is ready. You can use this for breakfast. You can use this for breakfast. No sugar. Also lunch. No butter. And it tastes wonderful so much. If you try it, come back and drop your comments.